Right,
LINK USDT.
right.
Not sure.
Appreciate the
There you
help.
go.
Appreciate the help. So
I
this is what we're
got you,
looking
man.
at in terms of Chainlink, guys. Obviously, we're seeing the retracement again today. It's down 5%. We had a high. We pushed all the way to the 49, got rejected off of it, and now we're seeing that retracement happen. Still 6 hours and a bit left for the day, and I think the most interesting thing we need to keep an eye out on is the fact that we had this line over here that we fully broke above, right? So we broke above. We had this target from before here. Looks like they want to go all the way up somewhere close to the $60 region. And I know, even if I remember, I even had some sort of Fibonacci extension here as well. Pretty sure you have it as well. But if we just take the first impulse we had from the bottom all the way to the top of that impulse, and then the end of that, so the retracement that we had before, you'll see here how it's always the same thing, guys. And this is not hard. Anyone can do this. We just need to have some sort of an eye on the market and continue to see how it plays out based on your analysis, right? You can do this for fun, and you'll start seeing that whatever you actually look at, majority of the market might actually be looking at the same thing. So we put out these numbers, bottom here, first impulse, retracement after impulse, and you'll usually what we target the most is the 1.618 region. You'll see how the market fully reacted to that. That was at the 37.5 region. You'll see how we fully just hit it, tried to go below it again, and as soon as we just played around for a bit. So next target we'd be looking at is the $56 region. I think the fact that we broke outside of this resistance overall right now is pretty bullish. Obviously, what Bitcoin is doing will affect the market, and what the stock market is doing will affect Bitcoin. But if this thing continues to find the support close to the $45 region, somewhere here is coming back, obviously, to retest this breakout we had. So the 44.4 region. I think $60 right now, but initially $60 would be the first next stop we'll be looking at. And if that holds and we break above it, then I think 75 is definitely something, because it's been long overdue for Chainlink, man. It's been really overdue for Chainlink, and it's definitely a pillar in the crypto world. And yeah, it's a lot of positive catalysts for it.
Oh, especially if you look at Chainlink BTC, like
Yeah.
the US dollar value of Chainlink is looks fine or whatever. Like we're constantly making macro higher highs and lower lows, so it's bullish. But it's not until you look at the Chainlink Bitcoin pairing where I think you start to realize how truly bullish I think Chainlink is right now. I don't think the market realizes what's happening, because look, ever since August 2020, Chainlink has been losing against Bitcoin. So all the parabolic growth we've been seeing with Chainlink has all been while it's been losing against Bitcoin. We are now finally, as of April, seeing a reversal in that trend where we're breaking bullishly out of a several month-long consolidation pattern and making higher highs. Chainlink is stupid bullish as well. If we look kind of like the top coins out there, and we take a look at what's ahead of Chainlink, Litecoin is ahead of Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, XRP, 4 projects that I think have no business being ahead of Chainlink. I think Chainlink could very easily move up 4 spots in kind of the market cap ranking here. And again, looking at the Chainlink Bitcoin pairing, we're very macro bullish. Again, that doesn't mean that we're just going to go up in a straight line forever. I'm just saying that the macro trend, the macro picture for Chainlink looks very, very bullish.
There we go.